just we're just trusting the process. We're just trusting the process. Alright, we Hey dolls, wagwan, welcome back to another video. And by the time, so I'm kind of geeked out-ish and nervous-ish, but by the time y'all already know what's going to go down. Y'all know what I'm into today. So today I'm doing the trendy, the viral Mary Phillips. Is Mary Phillips? Yeah, Mary Phillips makeup technique. If you don't know, or if you're not keeping up with the TikTok trends, she's the makeup artist that does Kendall and Hailey Bieber makeup. Yes, I'm going to try her technique today and see if I like it, see if it complements me in a way. I'm probably, if it's something that I do well, then I can use it on my clients. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do for today's video. And also let me know in the comment section if you guys would like to see me turn this into like a series, like trying different probably celebrity makeup artists or influencers kind of makeup trends. Like if you want to see something like that, let me know down in the comment section. Okay, so first I'm going in as usual my Pond's moisturizing facial moisturizer, and I'm going to use that moisturize the entire face. You guys can actually see the difference in my skin. Like if you're an upcoming MUE or you're just a girl that loves makeup, like it's always in the skin prep. It doesn't matter how bad, quote unquote bad, or good your skin is, it's always in the skin prep. Now I'm going to go in with my Milani Prime Shield Primer, and this kind of give you like a blurring, it's blurring the word? It's kind of give you like a poreless kind of finish. So I'm going to add it right here in my most porous areas. I believe I showed you guys in a previous tutorial. Blend that all in my skin, and then I'm going to come back and try this like technique. We're getting into the nitty-gritty, girl. Okay, so the first thing she did after skin prep, the first thing she did, she just went straight in with the contour. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. Yeah, that's a really dark shade, but I am contouring. There's a difference between contouring the skin and bronzing the skin. I didn't have to go this deep, but I wanted something with a cool undertone that is going to give you a shadow. Alright, so when you contour in an area, you use when you're contouring, you use something with a cool undertone. When you're bronzing, you use something with a red, orange, yellow undertone. Alright, it's two different things. Contour is to create shadow, bronzing is to create warmth. Two different things. Alright, now look at my contour brush. So on a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in and I'm just going to add the contour directly onto the skin where I would normally add it, or where I would bronze, whatever. I'm applying it with a brush so you can get like a more seamless like finish. It's realize the contrast, because I'm contouring, so it's going to give me like a ashy. So it give me like a ashy look. So you go around the hairline, and then she did this. I'm not put on so much weird. Put on so much weird. I love a contour them. Went down the bridge of the nose. And I'm just using what's left on the brush and kind of buffing that onto the skin. Pretty much. with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going in with the shade Cool Tan, and I'm just going to apply it right underneath the eye. Then I'm going to take another fluffy brush. I'm going to blend that concealer out. Let's just see, we're trusting the process. Let's just trust the process for today's video. We're just trusting the process. We're just trusting the process. Alright, we're just trusting the process. It's not really applying smooth. It's not give, but we're trusting the process. Like, I'm still seeing my skin peeking through it. It just not like. I'm going to use a foundation brush and blend out the edges, because it's not giving what it's supposed to give, or what it should give, but like it just looks scary. But yeah. It just look blotchy. I never saw her did that. Probably I should have just went on top of it with the foundation and see how it come out. It you know, I'll just stop talking. So this is how it looks before foundation, right? So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me liquid foundation, and I'm going to pour in the shade. I always say 360, but the name of the shade is Mocha. In the shade Mocha, 360 Mocha, and I'm going to put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with a powder brush, and I'm going to like blend that, and just blend it all over, guys. This ain't it, girl. I'm going everywhere and interlapping the foundation, and I'm lightly, you know, I'm lightly applying it on the skin, so it would give like a airbrush finish. So let us see what is going on. Oh, I missed a step. I should have did a blush, but you can always go on top of the foundation. Like the underneath the eyes, it's not giving. Under the eyes not give. It's That's why Jamaican people always say, you know, bungla na fi, you know, pull it out. And everything you see if you follow. You understand? And everything you see if you follow. Probably when I set under the eye, it will look much more appealing. Alright, now the concealer, it just sit down in it just settle in the skin. It doesn't look appealing, and it just pick up all the fine lines that I have underneath my eye. It just settle in it. So will I try this on my clients? I don't think so. I applied blush, but the concealer upset me, man. It's alright. He said because I have what you call them? I have sunken eyes, so that it just sit on the hole. It just that's alright. But we're gonna continue. We're going to continue. I want to put a little bit more concealer above it, so it looks, my eyes look full and not sunken. But like I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. But it don't look appealing. It does not look appealing. I already finish it. The base doesn't look bad, you know. The base doesn't look bad. It looks blended, but the concealer with my eye. As I said, I'm not going to apply any more concealer, like, because a lot of products is just going to make it worse. So I'm going to go in with my loose powder. I'm just going to look up and set those areas. Highlighted, it's not giving dimension, it's just giving flats. That's how it looks to me. So I basically I set everywhere that I needed to set with powder. It looked alright, but it's not giving. As I said, because I have sunken eyes, me putting the concealer down before it does me no justice. The concealer just literally settled into the skin, right? Putting on the foundation with the powder brush, it gives you like a nice what would you call it? It gives you a nice flawless finish. It's like makeup, no makeup kind of vibe. Yeah, it's alright, you know. It's smooth. It can be worn for everyday kind of makeup look. For all my corporate girls who doesn't want to look like too glammed, but they want to look glam. But for me, because I have sunken eyes, it's not ideal for me. Because as I said, the concealer just doesn't. You know, like when people that say water stuck in your collarbone, you can catch water in your collarbone. I saw the concealer stuck in my eye. That's how they. I don't know. I'm gonna zoom it up and let you guys look at it and see. But it nah. This skin looks. Oh, it look alright. Probably not so white shabby, but it look alright on camera. It look alright. It blend out it smooth. But in reality, looking underneath my eyes, I consider this like it's sickle. When water sickle over bottom, it just sickle like this. It does not look flattering. Where the concealer is concerned, but everything else look alright. So I'm going to complete the look. I'm going to touch on my brows, do do my lashes, and then we're going to come back and close out this video. Alright babes, so this is the finished look. This is how everything look like. As I said, it doesn't look bad, but with my facial features, my sunken eyes, it doesn't complement it. And because me looking at it now, my face look extremely flat. It doesn't look highlighted, it doesn't look contoured, it just look flat to me. Like, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, but to me it just look flat. I'm not bash nobody or anything because she's a celebrity makeup artist. She know makeup more than me. I'm not gonna say I never do it good. Each is their own, but to me, I don't like my makeup like this. It's not flattering in my eye area, but it's cute. It's cute. It's cute, but it's not flattering to me. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know down in the comment section. If you guys want me to do a series where I try different makeup artists or influencers techniques, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like the video, subscribe to the channel because most of you guys watching my videos aren't subscribed. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like the video, and I'll see you guys in Wednesday's upload. Okay.